para foyo. Ke kwara Acholi under smart agriculture upogo irrigation kits kiruodi wang kitwoni fu ario. Meno mbero in November 2023. Manyuni chalo ke no don watiga nena nyim chon. Chalo ke mwagam karo watimu ginagilwoni Royal Tour. Miyu budano for coordinated market production. Wek fu ukubeki chuk. Fu ukubeki agro processing facilities. Mageti aido iloba chudi. Menu tutewa mo charo. Mwagare yo adega nge. Miyu budano melweni kumkej. Mario lokme furgwana udogete check me Uganda in 1950 kimiri meriem okay feni loba Acholi furgwana jarakin magali wacheni mia bungwan PR yo kanyo marikin magali wacheni mia bungwan PR bi mono kelu kuri gwana mone Acholi loni local yan kuri pa local government ni ogak local tien manyo mi wado ko furgwana wa ku konyo ki komke kidong lokam kan chero board office for prime minister. Then get my work with Acholi. I did a rapid assessment to bear the age. I know ni could pay, but Uganda Prison Service give you book code and yogi madun under da. Cow is the prime minister to air lock quedgi. We gumi kodi. Kedan kon carry den kagaman chen pay. Kongo gami den. Cha legani go team kumal. Kame ario gamer mi ukari crop insurance policy. Dong lok kame agiki. Ene ni kaga mo pegiribe. Menu kaga mo to. Dokagu to. Ki yiru gila bon lega. Magiki. Kaga mo wego te kwa arge. Menu kaga mo bitum. Dok kaga mo birwen. Magu bidonyo. Gina lemon luone identity crisis. Donka o mero bot key colonization of the food system. Penga nene kumalame Uganda pol cham ma wa cham kunu aki burlo mukene bur Uganda mukene kibora alone food colonization. When if you want to decolonize the food system in Loba Chudi ke jogo ke krien pacheng gamen pa borre magali wechel gimia bungwan ke Pierre bichen o yubu dam e parishes wang between 1960 to 1970 dams ti parishes wang manyutika wanero national irrigation policy are they linked to these dams in terms of rehabilitation maybe no ko. When you look at all level, being it at administrative level, local government, at legislative level, national government, Rochudam egini, Wakiti kwedgi, Meya rofu magikere pi irrigation, mirbe parity paltel na machen. Kirong rolling out national irrigation policy at the Paris level, and again appear afoy.
Of what Meno Longmo Akibot Ocheng Francis Mathieu, project coordinator Ke Kwara Acholi, Kidong studio Benaberike Honorable Okot John Amos.